So we've been getting lots and lots of yarns in for spring, and we got a partial order in from Berroco. I'm still waiting for more stuff, but I have these huge boxes sitting in front of me. So how about you help me open them? Let's go. Oh my goodness, they're so big. You know, the important thing is to not cut yarn bags. Woohoo! Okay, so on top of this box is a ton of Pima 100. Let's get that out of the way. So Pima 100, we ordered, I don't know, 20 colors or so. This is going to be great for market bags or sweaters or kids' clothes. A great all-around yarn, all year long yarn. But definitely for spring and summer. It's a worsted weight, and yeah, I don't know what I'm going to make from it. I know that Jess wants to make a market bag, but I think I'm going to make myself a sweater. Lots of pretty colors. Lots of pretty colors. Ooh, I think I might steal that color. I know, I'm like leaning towards pinks lately, which is really odd for me. Okay, that's a lot. Oh, here's the stuff that I wanted to. This is brand new. It's brand new to my store, and it's brand new from WoolAddicts. This is WoolAddicts, and it is actually a sock weight yarn made for sock knitting, but you know, of course, you can make shawls or whatever out of it. It comes in 6 colors. We bought all 6. It is wool, cotton, and nylon. So it is great for socks for the summer and spring. It'd be great for some shawls, maybe a fingering weight sweater. And they are just such cool colors. Look at these colors. Look at that. And more WoolAddicts. So as I said, they come in like 6, they started with 6 colors. We got all 6 colors. Where are the other 2 colors? Aha. So let's open a bag and show you, like, let's see. Open a bag and show you up close the color and the detail. Look at that. It's nice and soft. I think I'm going to steal a skein and crank it on my circular sock knitting, antique circular sock knitting machine. Make myself a cool pair of socks. But you know, I could totally see that as a shawlette or something, or a sweater, fingering weight sweater. Spring sweater. I'm loving them. So that's my new favorite. Brand new yarn to us. You know, we got some backfills of Remix and some Vivo, some more Pima 100, and I have not gotten my order of Splash yet, but Splash is a brand new yarn from Berroco this year, and it is really very cool. I'm going to show you the sample they sent me. Here's some of the books. I haven't gotten the yarn yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the yarn up on the website for pre-order, because I've ordered like 20 bags, and when it comes in, you know, I'll ship, or you guys can pick it up. But here is the sample of the yarn in a sweater. This is one of the colorways. I think it's 6 or 8 colorways. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? You know, it has just like little blips of colors. It's kind of like their Dash, their chunky yarn for the winter, but I just love this. And I definitely want to make something for the spring, a cute little spring top. I just think it is going to be so cool. Comes in, as I said, 6 colors. I'm going to put it, this, I think I want to make this one. I don't know if we can do a close-up on that. Can you see that? It's like a mock turtlenecky top and like no sleeves. I think it's going to look so pretty. Anyway, so I don't know when my yarn's coming in, but I ordered a lot of it, so I'm going to put it up online as a pre-order. The WoolAddicts sock yarn's already up online, so you can go and order that or come in the store and get that. And the backfill of Vivo and the 2 new colors of Remix Light that we got in stock. This is, I think, called Goldenrod. which is a really pretty spring color that I brought in specifically this year. I think it might be a new color. I'm not sure, but it's a new color to me. So there you go. And I know I have another bag of Berroco that is right here. Let's see if there's anything exciting in this, or if it's just more of the, yeah, the Berroco Splash is just such a new yarn that we haven't even gotten it yet. Oh, this is more Pima 100, it looks like. Some pinks and gray and more pink and white. Okay, so that's just Pima 100. So, you know, as I said, I bought like 20 colors of Pima 100. So it's going to be a really cool yarn for summer, spring, all year long. So there you go. Sharing some Berroco stuff with you. I have more orders coming in, and then this weekend we're going to be launching the Wool Walk colorway, so stay tuned for some previews on that this weekend and for pre-order, and that's about it. So it's Rose from the Yarn Shop at Alma Park. See you later. Have a great day. Keep knitting.